Hello guys, we are welcoming to our channel Faisal Khowaja Educational World. Hope you are doing well. This video is for educational purpose and supposed to share the solution, not for promoting any software or online sites. Recently, I received a high quality and high resolution with 50 fps frame ratio per second video file, and unfortunately not supported by our old version of LED or LCD. So there are two ways which I find to convert video file from 50 fps or 30 fps into 25 fps standards. So let's open Google Chrome and type convertio.co. This panel of sites support and convert video file up to 1 GB. Not support more than 1 GB. You have to sign up for a large size. So choose a file and let's try to convert online. Now we're selecting our required format, which is also MP4. And we click on settings and we change frame ratio from 50 to 25. If you change audio, you can too, but the standard for audio is AAC, so we unchanged and remain same. Now click OK and click convert. Our file is about to ready. So here is our file is ready. Now click on download. If you don't have IDM, so watch our previous videos. So one solution, one finding is convertio.co. Now we share another software called Handbrake. It is Windows based application and it is free and open source. We don't give any registration or payment here, and it supports 10 GB file and above. So you can download here Handbrake, and also you can download Microsoft.NET Desktop Runtime. So let's convert file here. You can drag and drop or select a file, and you can change any desired and required changes, and we can change our frame from 50 to 25 or 30 to 25, and then start encode. If the file is larger than 1 GB, it takes time. Our video is small, so encode inshallah very quickly. Microsoft.NET Desktop Runtime, which supports to run this software, so you can download from same panel. Until encode, we wish to share with you what is the key difference between 50 fps or 25 fps. It's all about motion frames. So in 25 you can see a little bit less motion than 50 fps. So this is the main key difference between them. And our old LCDs, LEDs are supported 25 fps. So these two we find a best solution, so you can use it. So encoding is completed. You can browse where you save this video and enjoy. So hopefully guys you like our videos, and subscribe our channel, share with your friends. Have a nice day.